Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Playing with Numbers. This is 11th question of its exercise 3.2. So the question says that write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. So firstly हम less than 20 prime numbers note कर लेंगे 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. So first हो जाएगा 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 is divisible by 5. 7 plus 3 हो जाएगा 10. 10 is also divisible by 5. 13 plus 7 हो जाएगा 20 is also divisible by 5. 17 plus 3. So we are at 20, also divisible by 5, and 11 plus 19 is equal to 30. 30 is also divisible by 5. So हमारे हो गए 5 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So पेयर हो जाएंगे हमारे 2, 3, 7, 3, 7, 13, 17, 3 and 11, 19. Thank you.